Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert here. In this video we're looking at some SAT style problems where we find the y value to the solution to a system of equations. So let's look at number 1. We have 5x plus 3 equals 6y and 5x plus 1 equals 4y. The problem reads, the solution to the given system of equations is xy. What is the value of y? Well, these type problems set themselves up very well for elimination. So let's rewrite these down here and I'll show you what I mean. So I have 5x plus 3 equals 6y and 5x plus 1 equals 4y. Now if I subtract the bottom equation, so this one, from the top equation, I'm going to eliminate the x variable because 5x minus 5x is 0, and I'm going to be able to solve for y very easily. So like I said, 5x minus 5x is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, and 6y minus 4y is 2y. I can now solve for y by dividing both sides by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, and again 2 divided by 2 is 1. 1y is just y. So in this one, y equals 1. Now that you've seen me go through a problem, I've got 3 more problems I'm going to cover. What I would do is, if I'm practicing for the SAT, is I'd pause the video, come up with the solution, and then see if your solution matches mine. Okay, so let's go to the next problem. Okay, so we have the equation 17x plus 3 equals 10y, and 17x minus 3 equals 7y. Okay, you might want to pause the video at this point and try and figure this out on your own. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to subtract the bottom of the equation from the top. 17x minus 17x is 0. 3 minus a minus 3, so 3 essentially minus negative 3 is a positive 6. Because when you subtract a negative, it's like adding a positive. So you have 6 equals 10y minus 7y, so 3y. I can now solve for y by dividing both sides by 3. And I get 2 equals 1y, or just y. So y equals 2. Okay, let's try some more. Okay, maybe you want to pause the screen now. Okay, so I'm going to start by writing these down here. So 11x minus 5 equals 10y. 11x plus 5 equals 5y. Okay, we'll subtract the bottom from the top. 11x minus 11x is 0. We can cross these out. And then we have a negative 5 minus 5. That's negative 10. And that equals 10y minus 5y, which is 5y. We now want to solve for y, so we're going to divide both sides by 5. Negative 10 divided by 5 is negative 2. And that's equal to 1y, which we can just write as y. So y equals negative 2 in this one. Okay, let's try one more. Alright, maybe you want to pause the video now. Okay, I'm going to write the equations below. So 20x plus 25 equals 9y. And we have 20x plus 11 equals 2y. We'll subtract the bottom equation from the top. 20x minus 20x is 0. 25 minus 11 is 14. And 9y minus 2y is 7y. To solve for y, we'll divide both sides by 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2, which equals 1y, or just y. So y equals 2 for this last problem. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please like and subscribe.